Hello guys, welcome to Khou. Today we'll draw Santa Claus. We will first start with the eyes. We'll give 2 round circles. Then a few half circles inside for the shiny look. Next is his round nose just below here. We'll draw a curve here for the mustache, and then back in a bit and up again. We'll do the same over on this side. There. Now, onto his very thick eyebrows. A short curve and a feathery tips. Very nice! The curve up for his cheeks. From here, we'll extend his mustache further down. We'll curve down and leave a small tip like so. From there, we'll keep going down and repeat. And now, last one. There. Then, we'll add his tiny ear here and his loop too. After that, we'll curve over his head like so. One more for his ear. One more long curve for his Santa hat. From here, we draw up and then one more. Draw and all the way back up to connect the hat. Last part, a round ball on the tip. Nicely done. We are going to draw his chubby shape for this area. We draw down and one more alongside it. And one more. Now we connect them like so. From here, we'll draw a Santa's body shape with an S curve. Over to the left side too. Then we connect them in like so. From this spot, we will draw his arm like he is waving. Draw up. And across to make his sleeves. Now for his hands, we'll start with his thumb first, like so. There, nicely done. Then his left shoulder and his fingers over it, clutching his bag of presents. And 2 more fingers here. And draw up. After that, we draw down, then wiggle in. Two straight lines for the definition. Now we draw short lines here for his belt. And in the center of the belt buckle. Then draw across like so. To finish our belt, down here, we continue with his suit. We curve into the middle and then go up a bit. One more over here as well. From here, we'll curve right and then up, and then in for the round edge. Let's repeat the process. All the way in. There. Next, his legs. We'll draw 2 lines down and windward. Short curve here and then down. Then we connect and give it a round edge here. Do the same over here as well. And a very cute curved lines and one more after it. Now, we connect that to the middle. Beautiful. After that, we go to his other boots. We curve down and then a straight line down. And 2 short lines on it. A few last lines for the stripe of his boots. For the final part, we'll go up and finish his bag of presents. We curve down and then in. Perfect! Excellent job, guys! I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.